Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Bianca Janel. I make videos on lifestyle. I do everything from hair tutorials to makeup tutorials to beauty reviews. Anything beauty related, I probably film it if that sounds good to you guys. I will down below. I upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And today's video is in collaboration with Conair. I am going over their jumbo hot rollers. And I have been testing these out for a couple of weeks already, and I'm obsessed. This is the volume that it gives your hair. This has been my go-to way of styling my hair. So if you guys want to see a full review and tutorial of how I use these rollers, then please keep watching. As I said in the intro, today we are going over Conair's hot rollers. I'm so excited. I have already used these a couple times, so I can give you guys my full review. I'm gonna plug these in and then we can go over them. So I love hot rollers. Hot rollers are some of my favorite hair tools to use. They just make getting ready so much easier. I love the volume that it always gives my hair, and I feel like the curls always last longer. And I also feel like it gives you like that at-home blowout. So I personally enjoy using them. Conair is definitely one of my favorite brands of hot rollers. I've done other tutorials on them. I'll link some above up here for you guys to check out. But when I saw they had these really jumbo sized ones, that's when I got really excited, because I want lots of volume. And let me tell you, these rollers give exactly that. I love using them the days that I have fresh hair. So like today, I have nothing in my hair right now. I got out of the shower, blow dried my hair, and now here we are. And like I said, I just feel like it makes my hair last longer, and especially with that volume, I can go a couple days with it. It's really nice. So that's why I really have been enjoying these, and I wanted to use them a bit before I gave my impression. But I can just already tell you guys, I love it. It's just that plain and simple. So a couple of features about the hot rollers. So it says that these are ceramic flocked jumbo and super jumbo rollers. So it's a 12-piece setting. These are flocked rollers that are infused with ceramic technology to provide consistent, even heat for long-lasting curls. And that is what I love about them, because I do feel like there is this even heat about it. So it just has the curl, it just makes the curl more consistent. It heats up in 85 seconds, which is super fast. I can see it's already steaming up. They are good to go. Like I said, it comes with 12 rollers. So there are 4 super jumbo, which that size is 1 3/4 inch. And then there are 8 jumbo rollers that are 1 1/2 inch. So like I said, these are my favorite rollers to use. It's all I've been using since I've gotten these. I really enjoy this size. Like I said, especially for the volume. Just wait till you guys see. As I said, it heats up in 85 seconds. That is what, like a minute and a half. So they are already good to go. And because they are so big, I can get my hair done really quickly. But I'll talk you guys through this. So what I like to do first is I like to section off my hair. Oh, and I do want to mention too, I have my extensions in right now. I just have a halo extension. So there is a lot of hair. And I mean, there is a lot of hair. And personally, I like to use my rollers. I like to put in my extensions and then put in my rollers. That way the curl is consistent and even throughout my head. So for girls with extensions, these are the perfect rollers because I can get all my hair. Sometimes I don't even use all the rollers. Today I'm going to try to be strategic and try to use all of them, but you don't really have to. You'll see that it covers a lot of hair because they're just so big. But like I said, I like to section off my hair first because it just makes working with my hair easier that way. So I always section off the first half. And I like to bring my hair split into 2, and I like to bring it forward. It's just easier to work that way. And I also like to make sure that all the tangles are out of my hair. So these sections of hair have the extensions with them. This is all my natural hair, and then this is a combo of my extensions and my hair. So you can see it is a lot of hair. So I can show you guys how I like to separate it. So I like to at least separate these into thirds, or I guess just to kind of depend. This side usually has less hair, so I can separate these into 2 pieces. So I like to grab, this is probably about like, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 inches worth of hair. And I grab the roller. It is hot. You can see that I'm touching it. It's not burning my hand or anything, but it is nice and heated. So I like to roll my hair like this, and I'll roll them in opposite ways. So that was forward facing. Then you just secure it with a pin. Okay. Now because that one was forward facing, I'm gonna roll these inwards. So again, grab the hair. I have layers, so that's why I'm kind of precise with the roller. And then I roll these in. And it's really that simple. If I wasn't talking, I literally can get this done in like less than 5 minutes. So that side is done. Now this has a little bit more hair, so I'm gonna break this into thirds. So I'm gonna grab the first section. Again, I'll roll these upwards. Why I like to roll my hair in different directions is because that way that also provides more volume to the hair. If you roll your hair all to one side or section, then what ends up happening is that you get like a roller curl. So then I personally don't like the look of that. I rather have just like lots of volume in my hair. I'm sectioning this off into 2 sections. And like I'm showing right here, I like to make sure that my hair is like nice and evenly distributed amongst the roller. I have one more section left. Okay, so now these are set. You can see how easy that was. That was with extensions as well. I personally like to spray my hair with a little bit of hairspray just to kind of help them set. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna get to the top section. So again, to me, it's just easier when I split my hair. Also too, I make sure to brush this section as well. So as you guys can see too, I use the smaller of the rollers on the bottom of my hair, and on the top I like to use the biggest one because that's what gives the most volume. So I'm actually going to start at the crown of my head first. To me, this is just the easiest way to work. So I grab this section right here, and I'm going to be using one of the bigger rollers. And I like to make sure that this one goes backwards, so like away from my crown. That's in. And I'm gonna grab this side and put this one in a big roller as well. I'm gonna take this section and add in another roller, because I want the 2 bigger rollers to be on top right here, so you guys will see that in a second. Now that I'm getting to the end of it, what I'm going to do, let me see. So this is typically what I like to do. I kind of like to grab this front piece right here, in the middle I should say. So I kind of lump the hair together from both sides. And I leave my quote-unquote bangs in the front. And I like to roll these backwards. Again, so just like away from the face. Okay, so I'm left with one more section. So again, like these to be away from the face as well. Okay, so now hair is up, and now I'm gonna, again, just set it with some hairspray. I like to leave my rollers on for a good like about 15 or 20 minutes just to really let the hair set. And actually, I have one more roller left. Like I said, I typically don't go through all of them, and that's because I even have extensions in my hair. My hair is long, but I even have one roller left over. So like I said, you girls with extensions, these are the perfect rollers. Like I said, it just makes getting ready so much easier to do. Like, yes, I already have my makeup on, but typically what I do is I put my hair in rollers, I do my makeup, and by the time I'm done with my makeup, then it's time to unravel it. So that is super nice. So right now I should go wash dishes, or something. I should go do something productive while I let these sit, and then we'll unravel them together. Clearly it is time to unravel these. They're starting to fall. I waited 20 minutes, and no, I was not productive. I was watching YouTube. So here is the first. Look at how much volume. I don't know why I'm shocked. I mean, I've already done this a couple of times, but it's the volume for me. I love it. So let's keep unraveling. That is my favorite thing about these rollers, is the volume. I am a volume girl. Like, yes, I like a curl, or I don't even mind having my hair straight. I just want there to be volume. I'm gonna look like I have pageant hair, but I'm not mad about that. Okay, so these are all the smaller rollers. So these are the 1.5 inch. All right, let's take out these bigger ones in the back. And as you can see, it leaves my hair so shiny and soft. I really like these rollers. They're probably actually one of my favorite hair tools that I have used this year. They're definitely a holy grail in my collection. Okay, we're gonna wrap up the last one. Look at all this volume. Look at how massive my hair looks. I'm so obsessed. It does take a while just to kind of finesse it a bit, kind of train your hair as to where you want it to go, but I'm obsessed with all the volume. You guys can see the back, and my hair is good to go. Like, you guys, this is what gives me so much joy. And just spray it a bit. My hair looks really good if I do say so myself. I need to document this for my social media. Let's see, let's make a post real quick. If you guys don't follow me, you guys should. My Instagram handle is at bianca.janel. This is typically where I share everything first, so Instagram has already seen me use this, but I wanted to remind everyone of how good my hair looks, so let's do another post. It does take a little bit of finessing, and it does fall a little bit. Like you see now, I'm able to kind of piece it together how I like. But like I said, I like doing this on the days that I first wash my hair because it gives me this much volume. It gives me a nice settle, kind of glamorous, pretty curl, and it lasts throughout the week. Like, yes, I do touch up my hair, but I'm just saying that it gives us a volume, and I feel like it makes my hair last longer throughout the week. So that's why I really enjoy using hot rollers. Again, it's just time effective too. You can pop them in really quick, do your makeup, get ready, and then unravel them, and you are good to go. That's why I enjoy using them. Down below I will link Conair store along with the link to these rollers, and I'll link the other rollers that I did tutorials on as well, because I still love those too. But right now I love how jumbo these are. As you guys can see, they are really nice and big, and I just love the way that my hair is afterwards. And if you guys like these videos, let me know by giving a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.